Okay, so this video is on your maths reflection and what your maths reflection must have. So you will find your maths reflection in either your shared pages or in on your Google Drive, or in your maths folder on your Google Drive, and it will be called Reflection Maths and then your name. So it'll be Reflection Maths Tavia, Reflection Maths Drew, whatever. And here at the top of it, I'd written a few instructions for what your maths page on my portfolio needed, but I'm also making the videos at the moment for those. So if you are a video person, watch the videos. Otherwise, if you'd prefer to read these, then go for it. Scroll down, you'll find a reflection. Now, this is really important, and I've written here these need to be in-depth answers. So I don't just want one word or one sentence. I want you to really think about this process, and I want you to think about these 5 questions here. So what maths concepts have you learnt about during the measurement house task? So what maths did you learn? E.g., you learnt about perimeter is one. That's what I mean by maths concept. And so I want you to write down all the different maths you used during the measurement task. Question 2, what else have you learnt about during the house unit? Because you learnt about more than just maths. You were using a lot of other skills. So I want you to write there what other skills you learnt. 3, did designing and building your house help you to learn, understand, or apply the different measurement concepts? So what I want to know here is, did actually the process of designing your house and then building it help you to understand the likes of perimeter and area? And how did it do that? Was being immersed in this topic-based maths where you're focused on your house, did this help you to understand the maths better? 4, and I want you to tell me what did you find the most difficult about this whole project. And 5, if you had to do this process again, so the process of designing your house, making it on Minecraft or Floor Planner, what would you do differently? So what this question here is you're reflecting on what did you find difficult and what have you learnt now that you could apply if you had to do it again. What have you learnt about designing houses, or what have you learnt about the maths that if you had to do this whole thing again, what would you do differently to improve on? So that's what I want you to write about for the reflection.